Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video we're going to be making DIY hairspray using bay leaves and cloves. For the cloves, you could use whole cloves or powdered cloves, whichever one you have in your house. I am also going to be leaving the measurement in the description box for you guys to follow along. For this particular video, I am going to be measuring everything in 1 tablespoon. We will begin by opening up our mason jar or whatever container that you are going to be using. You measure out your 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves, as we already know, stimulate hair growth, it prevents hair loss, it controls dandruff, it improves hair scalp, and it adds natural shine and volume to your hair. So if you are suffering from any of these, you should definitely go ahead and incorporate cloves into your hair regimen. Now onto the bay leaves. I used about 6 of these. You don't have to use as much, but I decided to use 6. Now when we talk about bay leaves, they promote hair growth, they strengthen the hair roots because they contain vitamin A, C, minerals like iron that help strengthen the hair from the roots. It also reduces dandruff and flakiness, and it adds shine. So after putting both the cloves and the bay leaves into your mason jar, the next step is to go ahead and add water. I ended up using 2 cups of water. You can add as much water depending on how much hairspray you want. So after which you are going to cover, store it in a cool and dry place for as long as you want. So the beautiful thing is that you can let this sit for a month, as we always say, a week, 2 days, however long you decide. Also, do not forget to add your preservative because this extends the life shelf of this spray. After about 9 days, this is what it looks like now. We're now going to open this up and strain it. Now, some people choose to sometimes add their essential oil while the water is infusing, but sometimes I add mine afterwards. So after straining it, the next step is to now go ahead and add the essential oils of your choice. Let's just take a look at what the water looks like now. We can tell that this is very rich already. We're now going to go in with oils like wild growth oil, rosemary mixed with castor oil, Jamaican castor oil as well, and of course peppermint oil. And as I said in the beginning of this video, everything used today will be measured out in 1 tablespoon. Again, you don't have to use the oils that I used. Just make sure you use the oils that are working for your hair. Again, it is best to check your hair porosity. That way you make sure that you are using the oils that aid in the growth of your hair type. After adding all the oils to this mix, the next and last step is just to transfer it into your spray bottle. And of course, you can store it in the fridge for as long as you want, 1 week, 2 weeks again, because it contains the preservative. I was able to get about 2 bottles of hairspray from this mixture, so this will last me for a very long time. Now, just to keep in mind, when bay leaves and cloves are combined together, infused together, it will provide your hair with natural fragrance and shine. It will strengthen your hair follicles and reduce breakage. It will improve blood flow to the scalp by encouraging thicker growth. And lastly, it will deeply cleanse the scalp and remove buildup. This spray can also be used 3 to 4 times a week, and this is also with your protective style. Also, what to keep in mind is that it can also be used as the final step on your wash day. What do I mean by that? It means that after you shampoo your hair and condition it and you need to rinse off, you could use this spray as the final rinse, and this in turn keeps those nutrients to your scalp. Thank you guys for watching. This brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, let us know if you have used bay leaves and cloves together combined, if you've used them separately, what benefits did you see? Don't forget to, of course, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.